Hello everyone, I'm Ashley, owner and founder of Amare Healing Arts Plastic Surgery Recovery Center, and welcome to our post-op shop. I am very excited that you guys are here. Our post-op shop is designed specifically for plastic surgery recovery. So the products you find in this shop are strong enough and designed well enough that you can use it for your entire recovery. Now, what do I mean by that? Sometimes you will go on YouTube or Facebook, or your doctor will tell you something like, go get arnica cream, and you're like, okay, how do I know which one to get? Which one is good for my surgery? What's the difference between a regular arnica cream for just swelling after a workout and arnica cream for after surgery? Which one is safe? How do I use it? This is why we have our shop. So on each page for each product, there will be a list of the ingredients of the item, and then there will be a section that says how to use the item. So it'll tell you exactly what it's used for and how to use it after surgery. I get a lot of questions from people online or virtual consults that we have that ask me, what do I need for my surgery? I had a tummy tuck, I had lipo, I had a BBL, I had a breast augmentation. What products do I need? If you guys go onto our shop and you look through our products and you're not sure, you can always set up a virtual consult with me. So in our virtual consults, we will go over all your surgery, your whole recovery, which products are going to be best for you based on what you're dealing with your healing, how to use them, and how much of them you need. And then we'll go over an actual protocol as far as how long you should be using them for, how many times a day, things like that. So you will have an actual protocol as to how to use your products and a system set up for your healing. Now, all of these products I have tested with my clients, but they go through 6 months of testing before they even reach our clients so that we make sure that they are actually going to work for your surgery. So our arnica is not just arnica, and our BBL pillows are not just BBL pillows. All of these products are meant for plastic surgery, but also, they're products that I've handpicked that I know work. They're not just products that you find on Amazon. They're not just products that you find online. These are things that we've picked at Amare specifically because they work post-op. So thank you guys for visiting. Every time I post a new product, I will post a video explaining why to use the product, how to use the product, what products you guys commonly get and confuse with the products that we have in our shop. So a lot of times, like I said, you'll hear somebody used arnica cream and you go buy arnica cream and it doesn't really work. So in those videos, I will also explain, what the difference is between the common products that you see out there and our products and why they work better. So behind every product, there is a scientific reason as to why we're using it for post-op surgery body. So make sure and check out those videos. They will be on our Instagram, our YouTube, as well as on the product shop page. Make sure you guys check out our products and read the actual list of ingredients and how to use them and things like that. And if you need a little bit more assistance, you can always set up a virtual with me. There is a link on our shop page that says book a session. You can always go through there and book a virtual with me. So thank you so much for visiting our shop. I hope you guys find some things that can help you. And I am very, very excited that you guys now have access to all of these wonderful, wonderful tools to help your recovery. I will see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.